This is the southwest of Barangay Talolora Bay, Palapag, Northern Samar. Tayo ngayon sa side ng malalaking alon kapag amihan. Andito po yon. May sabing ikantada raw dito. Sabi-sabi. Ito yung beach ng Barangay Talolora. Ayan o. Ayan. The Wavy Side Beach ng Barangay Talolora, Palapag. Tumbling dalawang bata. The beach of Talolora, Palapag, Northern Samar. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a good afternoon to all of you. Thank you guys.